Well, welcome back again. I must say, Richard, that Silence O is a cute little scooter.
A very good looking
Indeed, yeah.
Very, very good looking bikes.
Yeah, and one will actually, and I like also the part that it is for delivery guys, for pharmacies, medical hospitals,
you have
florists.
So many different users, so many different applications for these motorbikes, and I think definitely something that we're going to see on our Namibian roads just more and more come in the future.
But yeah, you can put as big suspension as you want. It will never do what I love to do, the 4x4 things.
4x4 things. And on that note, Francois, we went to the coast and we went into the dunes and we had a bit of fun training some of the guys from the AMAROK Club.
Nerve-wracking moments at times, so come on.
I must say that that morning when we started off, I was a bit worried, Francois. And I thought, I don't know how this day is going to end. But I must also be honest that I was so impressed by these guys and their ability to learn and their willingness to learn. And we took them through the dunes, did a bit of off-road training, and by the end of the day, they did so well.
I must say, I agree with you. When we arrived there, their faces were serious faces. Can we do it? Can our cars do it? Yes, you can. Yes, your cars can.
Yes.
And eventually it was a successful, really successful, and I remember some of the owners, the AMAROK owners, told us now he know why he paid for that car, that amount of money. And I think that is one of the things, Richard, and I always say that when we're going off-road, people tend to either overestimate or underestimate himself and his car. I think once you struck a balance, then hey man, the world is an oyster.
No, I agree, Francois. That's one of the biggest mistakes we make, is overestimating or underestimating. This was also one of those inserts where we didn't just get to know people, but we make friends, and I think, Francois, friends for life.
Yeah, there's one guy, Vilo. I really enjoyed him so much. His sense of humor is just awesome, man. And that's what it's all about. Life is about the sense of humor. Yeah.
Let's have a look. Francois and I can go on and on babbling about this, but I'm sure you guys want to see what we're talking about. So if you remember correctly, in our previous season, in the very last episode, Francois and I came all the way to Swakopmund to test the brand new AMAROK. During the off-season, we had a phone call from the AMAROK Club in Namibia, and they brought us back to the dunes to come and do a bit of training with them, to come and test their AMAROKs, and we had such a great fun time. With me is Clivert. He's the Vice Chairman of the AMAROK Owners Club in Namibia. Clivert, thank you guys so much for having us, and thank you so much for chatting to us today.
Thank you very much for having us, Richard. We had an awesome morning, I have to say. It's turning into a day, and all the AMAROK members are very, very happy.
To have an AMAROK Owners Club means that it's an awesome bakkie. But I want to know a bit more about the club itself. How many members do you have? And then also, where can our viewers, if there's someone out there with the AMAROK bakkie that wants to become a member of your club, where can they get a hold of you?
Okay, first of all, well, it's a AMAROK Namibia Motor Club. AMAROK Namibia Motor Club.
AMAROK Namibia Motor Club.
So to get hold of us, we are on social media, Instagram, Facebook. You go there, you put in AMAROK Namibia, you will see, and you'll be able to send us a message if you want to join. The membership fee is a very, very simple membership fee. It's about 300. If you want to pay for the whole year, it's about 600. And also, just to make that clear, the fee that you pay, that's what we then put together as club members. And then we then organize, maybe pick a region, and then we just go. It could be a school, it could be a region, it could be a hospital, and say, look, we are going to elevate, or we are going to scale up this. That's how you join the AMAROK Club. The membership, to be honest, Richard, is growing.
Okay.
That's why if I have to give you the exact number right now, I'll not be telling the truth, but I can say we are over 150 AMAROK drivers right now that are members of the club. And we're encouraging everybody. Look, there's so many that you can learn in the AMAROK Club. There's a lot that we do. We have partnered with MVA, Road Fund Administration. We have partnered with RA as well. We do a lot of road safety campaigns where we teach driver behavior, because it's not only about the club and having fun, it's driver behavior. Namibia is one of the countries that has recorded such a high number in road carnage, especially road on the accidents on the road. So we teach about driver behavior. We teach about, we go to schools, we do a lot of career guidance for the learners in school, especially those who are emerging to grade 12 and from grade 12 to university. So there's a lot of career guidance, because the club itself has got a lot of people from different walks of life. We've got nurses in the club, we've got police officers in the club. So I can say literally, if I'm not wrong, most of the careers or most of the professions in Namibia, you will find someone from that profession in the AMAROK Club. So there's a lot of career guidance, there's a lot of driver change behavior. We team up with the law enforcement sometimes to patrol, even to patrol, you know, to eliminate crime in the streets. So sometimes our law enforcement, there is not enough cars, and then we team up with them so that we have even, you know, we take police officers where they are supposed to be solving crime. So there's a lot that we do in regards to the AMAROK Club.
But thank you so much for chatting to us on Cars and Gears. Thank you so much for spending this time with us in the dunes.
I should thank you. I should thank you, Richard. Today, I thought the scariest thing was skydiving, because I did that before. I didn't know that it's going down a dune with an AMAROK. That is scary. But once you get used to it, man, it's a thing you can do anytime.
So now you know.
Now I know.
Now you know.
Yeah.
Okay, do you guys want to go down this short slipway? Let's do it.